Hello and welcome to another Primavera P6 lesson by Global Project Control. In this lesson, we want to talk about how you can find out near to critical activity near a schedule in the Primavera P6. When you update the schedule, you have the classical critical path, which we can filter it easily with the help of the filter. But if you want to find out further activity near to critical path, how you can find it? After version 22 of the Primavera P6, you have these toolbars, which is name it activity critical path in the Primavera P6, and it's very easy to use it. If you have the milestone list in your project, for instance, in my project, the fit completion is very important on my project. So beside of how many activity I do have in the critical path, I want to look at the task which is located on the path of the fit completion. So I select the fit completion and then click over here on the show backward activity critical path. As you see, some of the tasks are going to be listed. The 7 top activities is not located on the critical path. As you see in the total float column, those are not located on the critical path because we have some total float for those activity. But if you look at the total float, the amount of total float is not too much. So we can consider those activity as a near to critical activity. But this is not representable perfectly right now. How we can manage it? We need a simple activity code for this purpose. In order to save time, I have created previously in my global section of activity code, I created plan A and plan B. The critical path is my plan A. So let me take plan B, or near to critical. So I'm gonna add a column based on my creation. It was multiple multi-CP. I added it into the column and take the plan B for the first one and drill it down with the help of the filter. Now I'm able to disable the critical path on a backward path for the fit completion like this, and then with the help of the easy filter, very simple and easy filter, multi CP is equal to plan B. Done. Here is the near to critical activity. But if you want to represent it over here on the WBS and with the help of the group and sort, remove some of these WBSs from here, you can go to the group and sort, and then put the plan B here, multi-CP, disable the indent, and then add WBS, but change this instead of all to 2 or 3 levels. That would be sufficient. Then apply it. Now, as you see, I have both of the plan. I have multi-CP on the plan B. But if you don't want to look at this, then you should come back to group and sort and take the title and ID off. Whatever you like to type it instead of the plan B, you can go to the enterprise, take the activity code, and if you update it here, for instance, plan B near to critical activities, then close it. You will see that it's gonna be appear at the top of the section, and here is it will be your alternative critical path, which is came through your project, and it could be very logical for the project. Now I don't need to have the multi-CP in the column. I should take it off, and then I can print it out and send it to the related team. Hope you like this video. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay connected with us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and our Telegram channel for more lessons. You can also visit www.globalprojectcontrol.com to access all our courses and lessons in one place. Thank you for subscribing to the GPC YouTube channel.